Essay Street Crimes in Karachi. Street crimes have unfortunately become a regular feature of all big cities of Pakistan, particularly Karachi. Armed robbery, assault, and mugging have become a common feature of metropolitan life in Pakistan. Almost everyone has a story to tell about having a purse or a wallet stolen. The most common street crime in Pakistan these days is mobile snatching. Those robbers who come well armed and prepared both physically and psychologically to commit crimes. These people overpower the victim by fear and weapons. Youngsters these days are very much in fear about whether to carry a mobile phone or cash while traveling at any time of the day. It is not just night time that is dangerous for them, but also daytime. Anytime, any place, and by any means, these culprits get hold of helpless and innocent people walking on the street and rob them of all valuables, cash, and mobile phones. In order to bring an evil to this, in order to bring an end to this evil, we must educate our society because only the educated and the literate can make up a strong and peaceful nation. We must also build a strong family fabric. Parents should give time to their children and make them aware to the negative effects of these crimes. Lastly, efforts should be made to strengthen the police structure so that apprehended criminals and tried justly and punished duly. Surveillance cameras should be installed at all street corners to assist the police in catching the culprits. The black sheep within the police force should be detected and serious action should be taken against them.